In a practical world that we live in, the practical world of spirituality and herbal healing, here we've got an undying plant. And the very good thing about this undying plant is that it heals so many diseases. We can speak of piles, ulcers, skin rash, so on and so forth. And in a spiritual work, it has got spiritual work that it does. If you've got a business, your business is down, it's not moving, just get yourself maybe 16 of these leaves with no holes on it, and then you get yourself a bunch of this plant, get it plenty, put it in a bucket, put water in it, add a handful of salt, mash it, wash your body in the morning when you wake up before you can speak to anyone. Speak your intentions, speak about your business, speak about positive things that you need. If your business is locked, you are looking for employment, you're looking for work, you are applying for visa, nothing is happening, all your progress is blocked, just need to get this plant. This is a very good plant that you can use. Powerful.